Not so hard, huh? You guys feel better about science already? It's basic of all physics. Good. All right. Now, which end is the most dangerous? Point. Point. I don't know. Do you want to be shish kebab or do you want to be barbecue? Totally your choice. Which side is more fun to talk about? Top or bottom? Why? There's fire. Give me the 3 things you need for a flame. Shout them out. Let me hear it. Oxygen. What else? Spark. What else? Fuel. It's kind of hard to do. Can you do it with only 2? Are you sure? Here's sheet of paper right there. Let's try it. All right, here we go. Paper in this case. Oxygen, spark, or fuel? Which? Fuel. That's right. Do I have oxygen? Everyone take a deep breath in. I'll let it out. What percent, 0 to 100, in that breath was oxygen?
30.
21%. Give a hand. Nicely done. Nicely done. 21%. What's the rest of the second breathing in? Nitrogen. That's right. Do we need nitrogen for combustion? Is it required? No.
Don't you blink. All right, we're going to dim the lights halfway. It looks like they already are, so all we need now is for you to point out where my spark is. Ready, set, go. Where's my fuel? Good. Now, careful. This is my fuel over here. Good. Where's my oxygen? All around and on it. Give me a countdown from 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. 2, 1, okay, so where did we try? We tried 70% oxygen. We tried 80. What are we jumping to now? 100. And I need a helper. What do you think? Tell the person next to you what you think will happen. Ready, set, go. Okay, parents, here's another key to outstanding science education. What scientist in their right mind would do an experiment when they already know the ending? Right, okay. How many people have ever read textbooks that tell you step 1, step 2, step 3, and here's what's going to happen? Okay, that just kills all the excitement right there. Here's a real important key to keep in mind. When you outline an experiment, just omit the ending. Say, hey, I've got this great idea. Let's see what happens. Does that make sense to you? Yeah, because it leaves the space wide open for creativity, and that's exactly what we want. That's how airplanes got invented, for example. Okay? So we're not going to cut you off where you think you should go. We are going to have you build rockets.